In this session, we are going to discuss about fuzzy logic. Let us see what is fuzzy logic. Before going into fuzzy logic, first we will see what is traditional logic. So traditional logic is based on the binary values true or false. If a solution met the result means the result will be true. If the solution get a result false means it will get the result 0. So fuzzy logic is degrees of truth. It lies between the values. Values between 0 and 1. So we will see an example, tap water temperature. In traditional logic, we can say that whether the tap water is cold or hot. Only two values we can give. One is cold, another one is hot. But in fuzzy logic, we can say that the tap water is cold, otherwise warm, otherwise too hot, otherwise too cold or hot. So the value lies between 0 and 1. So why, we will see why is it useful. Let us have an example of automatic braking system. In traditional logic, two cars are going in the road. Whether we can check whether the cars are close or far. So is car close? We can say that the value is 0 or 1. That is no or yes. And if the brake is in condition, we can say that 0 or 1 or off or on. So in traditional logic, the value may be, for example, if we take this picture, in this picture, both the cars are not very close. It is far away. So is car close, we will get the result as 0 and the brakes is 0 off. It is an off condition. In the last picture, if you see, the cars are very close. If we ask the result now, is car is close? Yes, it is 1 and brakes is in condition, that is on. Let us take this example in fuzzy logic and we will see both the cars are far away. So if you are asking the question, is car is close? The value lies between 0 to 1. Range of no to yes. And brakes is in the on condition or off condition. The range is 0 to 1 or off to on. In the second picture, we can see that the cars are close, somewhat close. So is car close means we can say that it is 0.2, that is the value is 0.2, not very close, and the brakes are slight pressure 0.2. So in the third picture, if we see, the car is very close to each other. If we ask the solution now, is car is close, we can get a result 0.8, pretty close, it is very close, and brakes is on fairly heavy pressure 0.8. So this is fuzzy logic. Now we will see the traditional, that is definition given by various persons about fuzzy logic. Merriam-Webster dictionary describes fuzzy logic as a system of logic in which a statement can be true, false, or any of a continuum of values in between. That is, the range is between 0 to 1. In Wiktionary organization state, fuzzy logic is an approach to computing based on degrees of truth rather than the usual true or false, 1 or 0. Boolean logic on which the modern computer is based. The idea of fuzzy logic was first advanced by Dr. Lotfi Zedek of the University of California at Berkeley in the 1960s. According to Investopedia, fuzzy logic attempts to solve problems with an open, imprecise spectrum of data that makes it possible to obtain an array of accurate conclusions. We can see another one example. See the first picture, a person with healthy mind and healthy body. So we say that she is a nice person or she is a healthy person. This statement is imprecise because nice and healthy are not have deterministic value, because a nice person may be a good person who helps others. A nice person may be a person who care others. A nice person is a person who is very honor person. And a person is healthy person means that her body is in fit condition, and a person is healthy that her sugar level may be in good condition. A person may be a healthy person if she doesn't have any diseases. So we cannot say a precise statement because nice and healthy are not having deterministic value. So values may be vary. And we can see another one example. I am adding a spoon of sugar to a cup of milk. So now the milk becomes sweeter. Next, the same milk is added with more sugar. Now also the milk becomes very sweeter. Then again I am adding a box of sugar to that same milk. Now also the milk becomes very sweeter. But we cannot say when the milk becomes sweeter, at which point the milk becomes sweeter. So this is the fuzzy logic. The issues, all these issues are solved using fuzzy logic because the statement is imprecise. Now we will see what is characteristics of fuzzy logic. So characteristics of fuzzy logic, exact reasoning is viewed as a limiting case of approximate reasoning. That is, exact reasoning is towards the approximate reasoning, and everything is a matter of degree. That is 0 to 0, between the value between 0 to 1. And knowledge is interpreted as a collection of elastic fuzzy constraints on a collection of variables. That is knowledge is a collection of elastic means varies in different degrees. Inference is viewed as a process of propagation of elastic constraints. Any logic system can be fuzzified. Now, coming to acceptance of fuzzy logic, problem solving capabilities in science and engineering have made fuzzy logic a versatile mathematical tool to solve complex problems. We will see what is its potential. In fuzzy logic can be used in various applications. Number of applications virtually limitless. The control system, then kitchen appliances, car automatic, aerospace control systems. Other than that, it is also used in image processing, for decision making, route planning, still in development and testing for safety critical systems. It has been already tested in some instances like small satellite attitude control also. The sky is not the limit. Fuzzy logic is anywhere. So we'll see some of the applications of fuzzy logic. It is used in aerospace. I already told you. Automotive. In business also they are using fuzzy logic for decision making support systems, and defense they are using to recognize underwater target recognition, automatic target recognition. Then in electronics they are using for control of automatic exposure in video cameras, humidity in a clean room, air conditioning system, washing machine, micro ovens, vacuum cleaners. And in finance section also they are using fuzzy logic, and it is used in manufacturing also. In security control system also they are using fuzzy logic. In medical they are using fuzzy logic for medical diagnostic support systems. Psychology they are using, transportation, pattern recognition. In classification also they are using fuzzy logic. Then we will see some of the misconceptions in fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is the same as imprecise logic, that is degrees of truth. If we say whether it is hot or cold, hot means T, not hot means T plus 1. The range varies from T plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 like that. Fuzzy logic is an alternative way of expressing probability, how much a variable is set. Behavior of fuzzy is non-deterministic because it is the value is between 0 to 1. To get real output, it goes through a process of fuzzification, inference mechanism, and defuzzification. Probability theory, possibility theory, and fuzzy theory all look same. Everything looks same. And lookup tables are enough than using a fuzzy logic. A lookup table is nothing but a array used in computer programming that holds values which would otherwise need to be calculated. Fuzzy logic is no better alternative to linear control. Fuzzy logic most probably is handled by rules, membership functions, and the inference process. Now we will see the scope of fuzzy logic. Human-like interpretation and reasoning in machines, neuro-fuzzy system, genetic neuro-fuzzy system, fuzzy system become more prominent. Thank you.